Hey, hey, oh, hey, hey, hey. AirPods Generation 1 inside the Nomad rugged case. AirPods Generation 2 wireless charging case. You know, I meant to clean the old AirPods. Let me double check and make sure we ain't got no nasty. It ain't too bad, you know what I'm saying? Hoodie, lint in here in the cut. New AirPods. AirPods Generation 1, AirPods Generation 2. It is AirPod on AirPod. AirPodness going on right now. And, you know, I'm here. Hey, look, man, we knew what was coming when we got these. When I went to set them up, initially, I didn't have iOS 12.2, which you have to have in order to use these. I had to install that, which was very painstaking because I wasn't prepared for that. I needed my time to get popping. I wanted to get it, you know, I was ready to record. Anyways, I went through that strenuous process, and now H1 chip, let's go. Boom. Woo, look at that pop up. Hit that connect. Whew, done. Set up Hey Siri, not now. All right, we got 67% on the case, 95% in one, and 78% in the other. What the feezy? How y'all shipping me unevenly charged AirPods? Come on, Apple. Bam. Wireless charging. It's charging. So as you can see, this is a portable power bank with Qi wireless capabilities. This is from Ridge Wallet. I'll leave a link down in the description below. Get you one. It's pretty dope. This is 8,000 milliamps. And this is ideal for charging phones and accessories like this. So along with this power bank, I have a USB-C and lightning cable from Ridge Wallet, as well as their brand new duffel bag. And this is weatherproof, waterproof, laptop sleeve for the MacBook Air, the whole shebang, which is gonna be cool for travel, you know, when we take this CJ Knows Tech channel to that next level. So hit that sub button like right now. Help your boy blow up. The funny thing is, I thought that the light would have stayed on while charging, but it doesn't. It goes off. So earlier I was trying to charge it and I saw the light go off, and I thought that I was having issues. I was just like, let me wait till I connect it to the phone so I can see. But as you can see right here through the phone, this thing is charging. This right here spells convenience. This is a power bank that I will carry with me at all times. And now I have the capabilities while charging my phone. I can charge my phone through the wire, throw the Qi right there, boom. Like, I'm crushing it. So wireless charging on a brand new 2nd generation AirPods, and I'm all about it. I love it. It's just an added convenience. New H1 chip, we'll see what it does. More talk time, I'm with that as well. And now we have Hey Siri for those of you who want that. Now Hey Siri gives you all of the Siri options, as well as you can use Hey Siri to lower volume. But for those of you that have an Apple Watch, let me show you something. A lot of you guys wanted swipe features on the AirPods. Who knows what that technology takes and how much that would add to the price. My biggest convenience with having the Apple Watch, yes, it's an added bigger expense, but it adds to the convenience of the Apple ecosystem. I'm able to control volumes with the watch. All right, so let's get into the AirPods. Let me put them in my ears, you know what I'm saying? Let me put on some tunes. I'm gonna sing to you, serenade you, and we'll talk about it, baby. Let's do it. Yeah. Man, y'all already know where I'm going. If you don't know, you gon' know in a hot second. I decided all I want is you. All I want is you. Now in this song, I'm hearing the bass like an actual real bass, not a synthetic bass. Like, it sounded real smooth. Let's play light song, you know, cause that's my cut right here. Hey. Sound like AirPods. I appreciate the sound that I get out of AirPods. The only thing I think AirPods are missing to help increase the soundability is soundability. Yeah, I'm making them my own words. Don't trip, player. Galaxy Buds have They have the rubber tips, which add, what do you call it? Oh, isolation, that's what I meant to say. So they have the tips on here which add to the isolation, and that's the one thing that the AirPods are missing, is some type of isolation. So I don't know how they're gonna create that. Obviously they're working on a newer version, AirPods, like a redesign. So for now, we got this minimal update and it improves the AirPods. So for those of you who have never owned a pair of AirPods, you're getting a better set of AirPods. And for those of you who have owned the generation 1s, especially if you owned them since they first released, you know, it's starting to show its time of wear and tear, and this is a refresh, it's improved. You know what I'm saying? It's not everything that we wanted, this is not the redesign that we wanted, but it's AirPods. They're great, man. Come on, man. It's the reason why these things are selling out nonstop every time they come in stock to your local Apple store and online. I ain't playing. You better hit that link down in the description right now and go get you some. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in the OG AirPods, play the same song back, and like right now I'm mad mellow, right? I'm not like super like amped up hype, so I'm not like overhyping these. I'm like being realistic right now. Let's see. Hold up, player. Side. Hey. Yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo. Man, real talk. I wish I could like have one generation 1 AirPod in one ear and put the second gen in the other ear and do it that way. Let's see if this is gonna connect once I put these in. It gave me the sound. Woo. Okay, now Apple hasn't copped to any type of sound manipulation or improvement or anything like that, but personally, I'm gonna just be 100% honest, and this has come from someone who has a background in audio engineering. There is a slight difference in the bass. The bass is more pronounced. Actually, they're a little bit more amplified. So I'm assuming that Apple kind of tweaked their little EQ for the drivers, the sound drivers inside of these AirPods. Now, I'm not saying that it's a better sound or an improved sound, but it does have some type of amplification to it. Maybe that's just what it is. Maybe there's just a slight amplification as far as the amount of sound and volume, because they sound louder. Like I had it at the same volume, I didn't even touch the volume. I just switched directly, as you saw right there, and the sound was more fuller, the bass was more present. So I'm not saying that they altered the audio, but I'm telling you, like, something is tweaked slightly. That doesn't mean, hey, dump your first gen AirPods and go get these expecting a new and improved sound. I'm not telling you that at all. I'm just telling you that I can tell that there's something different about the EQ or the frequency band that they set. I know I'm getting a little nerdy with you, but hey, I'm telling you to get down, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't even no audiophile like that, you know what I mean? I could deal with the way the AirPods sound, but I'm telling you, it's a slight, you know, slight difference between the two. I just want you to know that. But above all, you already know, you've heard all of the improvements read off to you. You already know what the differences is between these. If you don't, it's in the sense of H1 chip. So it's new chips, not the W1, it's the H1 chip. You're getting more talk time because of that chip. As far as power, you're getting up to like a little over 24 hours, which is nuts. And that's the combination of the AirPods and the case. Now, I think the AirPods alone, I think it may be 5 hours or something like that, but you know, you got a case right there at all times. You can recharge them really quick, and that's what prolongs on over that 24-hour period. Sound quality has always been good with AirPods. Just the whole connectivity and companionship with an iPhone or a MacBook or MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac Pro, just within the whole ecosystem, they work great. And truth be told, I've even paired them with this Galaxy S10, my first gen, and used them that way. And if you're wondering why the heck would I do that, if that feels like that's sacrilege to you, I'm gonna talk about that. I'll talk about that in a separate video. Like, does it make sense to use AirPods with Android and how well it works? I'm pretty sure that people have done videos on that. I also have my review video on these Galaxy Buds. Some of you guys may be shopping between the Galaxy Buds and the brand new AirPods. So we'll do review and then we'll do the review. So it's gonna go down for sure. There's a lot of similarities and one-ups that each and the other has over the other. Also, I did connect my Galaxy Buds with the iPhone. So that's an experience to speak on as well. Another thing, before I get out of here, I want to show you a couple accessories for your AirPods. I highly recommend you get a case. If you get it, you know what I mean, keeps the original case looking prestigious like this. Look at this Gen 1 case right here. Ooh, nice and clean. I keep it inside of this Nomad rugged case. This is my daily driver case. And if you're worried about wireless charging, it works. As you can see, it is charging. So that's of no concern. I also have the 12 South leather case right here. Let's test it with the wireless charging. You know what I'm saying? Look, you guys getting exclusive. This is usually like a separate video for the, you know, separate views. I'm gonna keep it 1,000 when it comes to this YouTube stuff, but you can still see the little light thing right there. Set it down, bam. I see the red light kicking. I see the charging thunderbolts right there. So 12 South case is wireless charge compatible. Now I have another case, which is more so for you rugged. I mean, you out there, this adds waterproofing as well as it glows in the dark. So say if you're out there, you know, camping and so forth, and you happen to drop your AirPods at night, they'll be easy to find. Man, this one's dope. So you get the waterproofing. To access your AirPods, you have to fold it down. So that's the extra step for this. This is from Catalyst. And oh, bam. Charging. So with the wireless charging case being added to the AirPods and the typical AirPods case that you have out there, I just showed you 3 cases that are wireless compatible with the AirPods. These are 3 great cases, highly recommend them. Pick up your AirPods down below, as well as a case to go along with it. Trust me, man, you want to keep your stuff prestigious, you know what I'm saying? I saw people getting great resale value with these. I'm not selling these, I'm just, okay, so you just watched me unbox and give my impressions of the AirPods 2nd generation. I will be doing a comparison with these against the Galaxy Buds, since these are the top 2 hot buds right now for the ears. Also, I'll do a follow-up review with these and, you know, let you know how it goes. My name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech and anything creative, and the AirPods too, baby. You know what? Before I get up out of here, let me turn her back on. Man, her album knocking. If you ain't heard the album, then you don't understand why I'm over here playing it like that. My eyes. Ooh. What you can do.